Hi guys, this is only for example between employee and employer. They are talking about the cleaning of the room. Here the example of the name the employer and employee. Employer name Madam Dina. Employee name Mongren. That's only for example. Here's the other example. The employer, Madam Dina. Arabic, Ya Mongrin Taalihina. In English, Mongrin, come here. In Tagalog, Mongrin, halika dito. Mongrin, the employee. Arabic, Aywa Madam, ayu kidma or Aywa Madam is hada. In English, yes madam, what is it? And Tagalog, ano po yun madam? Employer, Madam Dina. Arabic, Shub hari asya ratibi asarir. Badan nadifil golfa. In English, look at these things. Arrange the bed, then clean the room. In Tagalog, tingnan mo ang mga ito, ayusin mo ang kama, tapos linisan mo ang kwarto. Employee Mongrin. Arabic, Inshallah Madam ana sawi kuluhada or hadi. In English, if God's will Madam, I will do all this. Ang Tagalog, sa pahintulot ng Diyos, gawin ko ho lahat. Employer, Madam Dina. Arabic, when or pinwaditi sa hagi. In English, where did you put my watch? In Tagalog, saan mo nilagay ang relo ko? Employee, Mongrin. Arabic, Mujud pidords, madam. In English, it is in the drawer, madam. Tagalog, nandun po sa drawer, madam. Employer, Madam Dina. Arabic, Asante, Shukran, Laki. In English, well done, thank you. And Tagalog, mabuti, salamat sa'yo. Employee, Mongrin. Arabic, Apuan, madam. In English, don't mention it, madam. Tagalog, walang anuman, madam.